started with our warm-up. Shoulder rolls, arm circles, all that good stuff. Working our way from our head to our toes. If you are using weights today, you're going to want a big range of dumbbells. I'm using 5s to 15s all the way. So I got 5s, 8s, 10s, 12s, and 15s. And forward. Just follow me along in the warm-up. And let's cross those arms. So our warm-up is 3 minutes, but if you need longer, pause the video, do some jumping jacks, run up and down the stairs, get on your treadmill, your spin bike, whatever. Do an extra long warm-up. Okay, let's reach side to side. I hope you're feeling great today. Swing side to side, really get that waist into it, twisting. Oh, that feels so good. Hip circles. The other way. Okay, let's do some standing cat-cows. So hands on the knees, and we will arch the back, breathing in, round the back, breathing out. All right, come all the way up. Big deep breath. Now let's lift our legs and toe tap opposites. Waking up those hamstrings. And let's curl, pulling the chest, pulling the arms back so you open up the chest. And some squats. All right, so there's our warm-up. Now let's get to work with the 10 by 10 circuit. Okay, we start in a seated position because we're going to do Russian twists first. Again, this workout moves pretty fast. We only have 10 seconds in between each exercise. 10 exercises, 10 reps each, 10 seconds in between each exercise, basically enough to give you time to switch your weights. Let's get started with the Russian twist. Here we go, 10 reps. 1, 2, feet on or off the ground, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toe touches next. You're going to need a weight. Lay on your back. Feet are in the air. Take the weight. Bring it towards your toes and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squats are next. We need to get up off the floor. Grab 2 heavy weights and we are going to squat for 10 reps starting now. 1, keep your chest lifted. 2, don't dump into your lap. 3, 4, breathing in on the way down. 5, breathing out on the way up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, straight leg deadlift. Legs are wide, knees are locked. Keep the weights close to your body as you bend forward. Lift the chest. 1, 2, 3, flat back. 4, 5, keep those shoulder blades pulled together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up next are the alternating curtsy squats. Again, keep your heavy weight. We're going to curtsy squat starting now. So we step behind, bring that knee close to the floor. Step close to the floor. That's 1 each side. This is 2, great for the butt. This is 3, keep your core engaged. 4, Keep your shoulders over those hips. This is 5, 6, watch your balance, focus, 7, 8, 9, one more on each side, 10. Your heart rate should be up right now. Next up is the chest flies. So lay down on the floor, grab a medium weight. We are going to fly with our arms, palms facing each other. Get ready, we're going to extend them out almost till they come to the floor and then squeeze. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, good job. We're moving through this nicely. Next up is the bent over row. Heavy weight, grab it. You want to bring your feet together, bend the knees, bend at the waist, get the chest parallel to the floor, and you're going to row, or almost parallel. Here we go. 1, squeeze the shoulder blades. 2, 3, squeeze the back. 4, the lats. 5, 6, bring the weights to the hips. 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. Next up is the overhead shoulder press. Take a lighter weight for this. You're going to get a nice good stance with your knees bent, and you don't want to be hyperextending as you press. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Okay, one weight for the next one. You need a heavy weight, and we are going to do an overhead tricep extension. Get yourself in a sturdy stance. Weight is over the head, bending only the elbows. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Always engaging that core. We have bicep curls up next. Grab 2 heavy weights. For your bicep curls, we're doing hammers. So just like if you were hammering with a hammer. Turn sideways so you can see. Here we go. 1, 2, no movement in the shoulder. 3, just the elbow joint. 4, 5, 6, focus, brace your core. 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. That is round 1. You just worked out every muscle in your body. And if you're still with me, we're going to do it again. Now this time, I don't have to explain as much, so we will go through it just a little bit faster. And then once you get to know the routine, you can really bang it out. Nice big deep breath. We want to take a little bit of a rest in between. This is a good time to have a sip of water, and then we're going to get started. So let's get ready. Have your sip of water. Then sit on the mat, and let's grab a weight and start with those Russian twists. Big deep breath. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, brace your core. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Lay back, toes in the air. We're going to press that weight to our feet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Let's get up. Grab those heavy weights. We are going to squat for 10, starting Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that chest lifted. 5, 6, 7. Eyes forward. 8, 9, 10. Good job. Straight leg deadlift. So you want to have a nice flat back, or I should say neutral spine. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the weights close to the body. 5, 6. Shoulder blades pulled together. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. You're doing awesome. Okay. Curtsy lunges. Alternating. Here we go. 1, 2. These are awesome for the butt. 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa. 7, 8. I need more space. 9, 10. Your heart rate should be up. Okay, that's it for the legs. Let's move into the lower body with those chest flies. So grab your weights, lay on the floor. Feet can be up if you want extra core. And here we go, and fly. Open, close. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Good job. Now we have those rows to do. So get up off the floor, grab your heavy weights. Let's row. Bent over, feet together, nice flat back, neutral spine. Here we go. Engage core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Okay, shoulder presses, lighter weight. Get that nice sturdy stance. Let's press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bracing your core. 7, no hyperextension. 8, in the low back. 9, 10. 1 weight for your tricep extension. Grab a heavy one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, biceps, last exercise. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Do either one more round or let's stretch. Great job, everyone. Put the soles of your feet together. Let's grab our toes and start doing some circles. Ah, it's such a good feeling when you get your workout done, isn't it? And the other way. I want to take a moment just to say how much I appreciate you. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, getting fit and healthy, and doing the work getting yourself fit and healthy. It's awesome. Let's stretch our quad, bring that leg out, give them a good stretch. For a longer stretching routine, you can use my stretching videos. I have, and now the other leg. Also, remember the calendar will help structure your workouts, to give you rest days, active recovery. Okay, let's put put our legs out and stretch them. So we stretch our hammies. Let's come back to center. So we got our hammies, our hips, our quads. Now let's do our shoulders. You can hold like this or eagle. Breathing deep. And switch. You want to hold your stretches for at least 15 seconds. That's the least amount of time that you should hold them. You can hold more than that, but at least hold them for 15 seconds. Breathing nice and deep, filling your belly big. Okay, let's do those triceps. Arms up, reaching your hand down the middle of your back. Make sure you're not pressing on your head. Big deep breath. And the other side. Let's bring those hands over the head, lace the fingers, press, and then bring them down front. Oh, round in the back. Let the head drop. Oh, and just relax the shoulders. Open the chest, arms go back. And relax. Let's tilt the head to one side. Press the opposite hand to the floor. Feel that stretch in your neck. Feel free to move around. Bring that hand back up, head to center, stretch to the other side, hold it, big deep breath, and then press the opposite hand to the floor. Oh yeah, that side is tighter. Come back up. Big deep breath. You should feel really relaxed right now, and I hope you enjoyed the workout, and come back again. Happy training. See you later.